Hello and welcome back to Arm4 Creations. I just wanted to hop on real quick and answer a question that was asked in a previous video on how I connect my Sawgrass machine to my Cricut machine. So I just wanted to quickly show you. So first I make my design, and then I make sure I have my USB cord. I believe it came with the Sawgrass machine. And then I connect that from my Sawgrass machine to my laptop's USB. And it also has an option for Ethernet cord as well if you don't have a USB. So here I'm going to click continue, so it will take me to the print screen. And for my printer, I select the Sawgrass Print Manager instead of the actual Sawgrass SG400 option. Then I'll click print, and it may take a few seconds for the print manager to populate, but when it starts working, you'll see a PM populate. And then from here, I'll just select the material that I want to use and select print. And then that's how I go from there. So I hope that helps answer your questions. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. And please also like and subscribe to be a part of my growing crafting family. Have a great day, guys.